When you start doing this, it's like success is on autopilot. Hi, my name is Jaquish. I'm a doctor of biomedical engineering, which gives me a unique perspective beyond what a lot of YouTube influencers have in their academic background, and I believe I can parse through the existing data and come to some more valuable conclusions than you have previously been given. So today, I want to talk about one of my favorite nutrition hacks. Willpower is a depletable resource, meaning, yeah, you can put off whatever you're hungry for, some junk food or dessert, or you really used to like snacking at 3 o'clock at your desk before, an hour before leaving the office or something like that. The problem with depending on willpower is you will break. Like it's not, you can't just white knuckle it through life. Willpower is great. You want to save the willpower for when you're stuck, when something goes wrong, when you go outside of your normal pattern. That's sort of your backup parachute. But what you instead want to rely on is processes that you set in place with your life so that you're less likely to deviate and eat a bunch of junk food. So like, for example, a lot of people love binging on junk food before they go to bed. I mean, this isn't the hack, by the way, but obviously, stop having junk food at your house. Like, if you just throw all that crap away and don't buy it at the grocery store, then it'll be a special occasion whenever you have it, because it's just not at your house. And when your lizard brain turns on at whatever, midnight, you go and look in the fridge and there's no stupid stuff there. So you're not gonna eat anything stupid. But if you're proactive about this, and I think this is very valuable, the hack here is eating the same thing every day. So however many meals you want to eat, I typically eat 1 meal a day with a Fortigen shake in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. So you could call that 3 meals, because the Fortigen shake does give me 150 grams of protein. So, and I have 2 of those, so 300 protein comes from Fortigen. But ultimately, that 1 meal, it's just a giant steak. And if I'm trying to get leaner, it might be 2 or 3 New York steaks. If I'm not really worried about that because I'm already super lean, it might be a whatever 32 ounce or 40 ounce ribeye. But it's the same every day, because that's just what I eat. When I go to a restaurant and they tell me, well, you should really try the sea bass, it's our specialty. And it's just like, yeah, cool, I'll tell my friends, but I'm having the steak because that's what I have. When you start doing this, it's like success is on autopilot. In fact, you should probably write that down. Success is on autopilot. Eat the same thing every day. If you write that down in your notes somewhere, just the fact that you write it down will burn it into your mind. You'll start behaving this way. And I promise you, on the days you do this, you won't even think about doing the right thing, because you won't need to depend on willpower. You will just depend on your process. You will be an automated machine of success. I hope this helps. If you think everything I said was stupid, please tell me in the comments. Also, if you think what I said was smart, tell me that too. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next one.
If this video helped you, I want you to subscribe and follow. I'm gonna put out videos on a regular basis. I think they're gonna help a whole lot of people, especially if you're one of those people that doesn't just instantly grow from lifting regular weights. We've got the answer for you.